Good morning, seventh graders. I was asked by a student on for an example on doing a Google slide, so I'm just going to run through a real quick Google slide for you and let you see how it's done very quickly. So if I click on that link for Google Slides, and as you can see from the background, I'm actually in our classroom. They're doing lots of work here. So here's the display for the Google slide. So I click on starting a presentation. Let me just click on this one here. And the title page will come up. So you will put your title right here, and I'll just do a random one, okay? Why is Mr. Standiford so awesome? Don't let my wife know. She thinks I'm awesome too, actually. Boom. And then put your name right there. By Mr. Standiford. Is that wrong? Is that wrong? Why is Mr. Standiford so awesome by Mr. Standiford? Well, we won't go there. All right, so here's the second slide now, okay? So second slide, we have to have 4 facts. Okay, so number 1, okay, my first fact, he is bald. Okay, that's fact number 1. Fact number 2, he has an awesome mustache. Mustache. Fact number 3, he is kind of crazy. Okay, boom. And number 4, he is he likes hats. He likes hats. Okay. So that's an example. There's 4 facts right there, and then you would do your third. Let's get rid of all of this. You can get rid of all this because this will be your facts 5 through 8, 6, 7, 8. You'll list all your facts for there, and then your last screen then would be your summary. So you get rid of all this information. Summary. Okay, so we'll just get rid of all this too. There's probably easy ways to do this, but I'm just, probably from the template I picked. But you can adapt it. Okay, boom, just erase all that, and there's your summary. In fact, if you go over here to edit, you can actually, let me see, blah, blah, blah. How do you change? Clear formatting. So you could do that. Layout, there you go. So if you go to layout, new slide, layout, you can change how that is organized. So we just want just title and body, summary, and there's that. So in summary, Mr. Standiford is awesome because he is bald, likes hats, has a great mustache, and is slightly crazy. Boom. All right. So now what you can do is you go over here and you can Command C. Okay, go to that space, Command C to copy that. And now you can go back to right over here and you go to tomorrow and you go to this link right over here, this presentation forum. Click that link and your title is Mr. Standiford is awesome presentation. And then in this space right here, the link, you hit Command V as in Victor. Boom. And then you write something in here. And you hit post. And voila, it is saved in the discussion forum for tomorrow. So now that I click here, it'll bring it up. Ta-da! Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. And that is how to do the Google slide and put it in the discussion forum for tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.